This is a camera that G has set up to watch the garden so that he can see if there are any critters or what critters there are that have been nibbling on all the stuff that's down there. We'll see what he sees. Hello, my friends. We're back here in G's garden, and this is, I think, week 9, end of week 9, and yep, there goes another pepper plant. Critters got it. Still got one more that's hanging in there, but I don't know for how long. Cucumber plant still trying. No more cucumber. Well, there's a little baby cucumber over there. We'll see how far it gets. But these critters have just wreaked havoc. I don't know when the last time was that G was back here, but I'll take these peppers off. Look at it. See, they eat it from the root. And I don't know what that is. Something they've nibbled and chewed on. Anyway, basil's hanging in here. It's a very hot day. It's about 100 degrees out here today. And so the basil's not as vibrant as it ordinarily is, but it's still looking good. I trimmed off a lot of the tops. And see there what I've got in there. I also got my basil. It's not looking good either. Got some rosemary and some thyme in there. I'm going to be cooking a tri-tip today, so I'm going to use those. But let's go on and look at some of the other things going on in this garden. I stepped down. There's a little slope here, so I have to be careful. This is the eggplant. And we got a few little eggplants that are in there trying to grow. Yep. This other one has a lot of blossoms on it, so we'll see what it's going to do. Actually, the tomato plant has lots of tomatoes. They're all green, but it's growing at a rapid rate. It's really grown quite a bit since last week. This one here, I don't know. It's struggling. It's got a few blossoms on, but they haven't done anything yet. Let's move around here. Zucchini. Yep, it just keeps on and keeps on and keeps on. There's a couple there. I notice on the other side there's a couple. Coming around here, got even more. So it's not having a problem. Yeah, zucchini. Okay, let's move on around to our pumpkin. Uh-oh. Doesn't look too good. Does not look too good in here. Still got one pumpkin in there. But the leaves are struggling. I've got a few blossoms. So we'll see what happens. Okay, let's head back. It is hot out here. And I've got my harvest. I'll go into the kitchen and wash it up and get it ready. Not sure what I'm going to do with all this basil. I'm going to dry quite a bit of it. Maybe I'll make another pesto. I think I mentioned before the other day that Greg had cut back this thyme and the rosemary plant, because they used to both extend over here towards the brick. Okay. Moving on up. Another day in the garden. I'll talk to you guys again the end of next week, and we'll see what progress this garden has made or has not made.